I beg. Look the mirror.
No, I refuse. I refuse.
Hey, you, look the mirror. You, your tongue, look the mirror.
Not beside this mirror did they look. What did they see when they fence?
Now look at the mirror. Look at the mirror again. What do you see?
My face. My beard's over the rough.
Now which kind of person be this one? Okay, blow the powder sacrifice. The powder.
You don't tell I never rub powder since. This one over they smell nice.
Enough, small boy. Let me finish you once and for all.
I beg. Don't even try to beg.
So you can beg. I will finish you.
I beg. It is already written concerning me. For no weapon formed against me shall prosper.
We shall know.
I beg. I'm saying this for your own good. It is written concerning me in Psalms chapter 63 verse 9. He said, those who plan to destroy me will be destroyed. Genesis chapter 12 verse 3. Whoever curses me will be cursed.
I am light.
I'm not the cause now. That greater is he that is in me.
I am fire.
Jesus caused it.
I am light.
So you have faith over fear. At time a season that fear will take the center stage. The Bible lets us know, Habakkuk chapter 2 verse 4, the just shall live by his faith. His faith, not another faith. Fear will creep you, any man in that time. Fear will destroy everything around you. And God has not given us the spirit of fear, but of power, of love, and of a sound mind.
Listen.
Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. Lagos, London, shower Jesus, Jesus, Adeyone, Jesus, Jesus, from the gutter to glory, you carry me, you carry me, you carry me. Now your blood, now your grace, I dey stand today. We dey stand today, we dey stand today. Everybody shout, Jesus, hey.